Most people assume visually stunning music videos rely on CGI. These singers refuse to take that shortcut. Taylor Swift built a real ocean set for Cardigan, placing an actual piano in a pool of water and filming herself playing it, rather than faking it on a green screen, and most viewers assumed it was digital until the behind-the-scenes footage proved otherwise.
All this is happening, and it's like you see the whole ocean, and you're like, holy shit, it's a whole ocean.
Ariana Grande had elaborate practical makeup and prosthetics, applied for hours to physically transform herself into an elderly woman for brighter days ahead, instead of using CGI aging. And Billie Eilish built a real rotating room on set so she could crawl across the ceiling for real and bad guy.
I'm the bad guy. Duh.
Then rigged herself into an actual harness with practical fire effects for all the good girls go to hell. Her brother Phineas confirmed they avoid CGI deliberately because real sets create a weight that digital effects simply cannot replicate.